Hey everyone, it's your realtor Anna Lee Rinskoff with Remax Traditions and the Anna Lee and Company Home Group. I wanted to talk to you real quick today about FHA loans. There's been some updates. I just want to kind of let everybody know what's going on. This affects FHA borrowers, but it also affects all the sellers whose homes are FHA eligible, which is most homes. Anyways, there have been some reductions to the percentages of private mortgage insurance. PMI, as we call it, is something that if you don't put down for FHA, you have to put down 10% or else you have PMI. With conventional loans, it's usually 20%. That being said, with many loan packages, you can actually call your bank once you have built enough equity and you've paid your loan down X amount to remove your PMI, which sometimes can be a big portion of a monthly. But in any case, with FHA loans, it lasts for the life of the loan. So, this new reduction is going from 0.85% to 0.55%. It's a pretty small thing, but it could save people up to $800 a year or thereabouts, depending on their situation. That being said, if you did not put down 10%, as most FHA borrowers do not, in those cases, basically you can refinance out of FHA later if you wish to remove it. I just wanted to clear the air about this. The implications of this are that it's going to save people money. The bottom line is, too, it's going to bring some more borrowers into the fold who maybe weren't quite eligible, as well as giving more purchasing power to the borrowers who are FHA, who are already in the mix. This is great for the people and great for everyone. Additionally, there has been conversation about extending FHA loan terms from 30 to 40. Obviously, 30 years have been the sort of traditional loan term mark that has been in use for a long time as a standard. There's a lot of pros and cons about it becoming 40 years or not for people, and that's an optional thing. But their hope is that it's going to make more people able to become homeowners than were previously able. Also, they're hoping that it's really going to help people have more manageable monthly budgets. Obviously, there are things to think about. There's lots of pros and cons. You want to make sure, obviously, if the loan length is longer, there's a lot more interest over time. So, ideally, if somebody does take on one of those loans and their situation changes, hopefully they can pay more principal or do whatever they can to avoid that interest. But ultimately, this gives an opportunity to a lot more folks. Anyways, I just wanted to let everybody know about this. I'm sure you've heard a little bit about what's floating around in the financial markets and the real estate market and the loan world. There's a lot of changes out there right now. If you have any questions about your specific situation, my number is 216-389-5389. I would love to hear from you anytime. I would love to give you a commitment-free conversation just talking about what is best for you. And call me anytime. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday weekend and enjoys the sunshine. Thank you.